Hey guys, welcome to another video of mine, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a jump boost part. When you touch it, it's gonna launch you into the air. So like you can use this for obbies or trampolines as well. So yeah, let's get right into it. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a part, and I'm gonna customize this part a little. So now I got my little jump boost part, and we're gonna put a script inside the part. So we're gonna reference the part over here, local part equals script.Parent. And of course we're gonna make a Part.Touched event, connect into function, hit. Okay, so we're gonna be getting when the player touches the part. So this is when the player touches the part, okay? And we're gonna get the character and the humanoid of the player. Local character equals hit.Parent, and local humanoid equals char. Actually, you can put this as char. Really, I'm gonna put this as chars. Local char equals local char.humanoid, and if not humanoid, then return end. Okay, so we're gonna be getting the character from the parent of the part that hit or jump boost part, and then we're gonna get the humanoid of the character, and then here we're gonna just make sure that we didn't get the humanoid of something else, like we're not trying to get the humanoid of another part stuff. Okay, so for the part where the jump boost part makes the player like jump really far, I'm gonna have to show you something. So when you playtest your game and you go to your character model and then you go to humanoid and you go all the way down, you may actually not all the way down. Okay, oh, you may notice that there's this jump option. When you turn it to true, as you can see here, it quickly turns off and makes your character jump. Like over here, I'm not pressing the spacebar. My hands off the spacebar. You can see that I am using only the jump. And there's also this, and also over here there's this option called JumpHeight. So if I change it to something like 50, as you can see here, it makes me jump really high, and the default is 7.2. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the JumpHeight for it to be really high. Then we're gonna turn on this jump option to make the character jump. And we're gonna change the JumpHeight back to the default so the player can't have the jump boost permanently. Okay, so let's do this. So Humanoid.JumpHeight, you can set this to however you want. I'm gonna set it to 50. Humanoid.Jump equals true. And also, it's important that you put in task.wait over here, because if you don't put this task.wait, then the jump is gonna be just a normal jump when the person steps on the jump boost part. So we're gonna put the Humanoid.Jump to 7.2, and now we can test this game. Okay, so as you can see here, when I touch the part now, it launches me upwards. And if I get off the part, then it's gonna reset my jump height to the normal jump height. If you wish to see any tutorial from me in the future, like if you want to request a tutorial, then ask me for it in the comments, and I'm gonna be reading your guys' comments. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Also, by the way, before I go, I'd like to say that my summer break is gonna be over tomorrow, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to upload daily from now on. I think I'm gonna be able to upload daily when the mm, middle of the year comes and I get the break from the middle of the year, but while I have school, I won't be able to post daily. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye, orange version.